Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back. So I'm waiting for my EU setup, so I thought I'm gonna make this video real quick because it might be really beneficial for the beginner traders. So the topic I want to talk about is, as a beginner trader, what kind of market to focus on to make it easy for you to trade and eventually make a lot of money, or at least be a profitable trader. So because I pretty much started with the stock market, then I slowly moved to the cryptocurrency, and then I fluctuate to the Forex. Now, last 2 years, I'm full-time trading cryptocurrency and the Forex. I would say I have pretty enough experience to talk about these things, and also based on what I've seen with our students, members, whatever you want to call it, I can share a few tips or the advices I would give eventually to myself if I have to start over. If you join the trading journey in the last year or two and trading the cryptocurrency, I don't think this is the good or the best way how to start trading, because the bull run in the cryptocurrency, it was just so obvious. It was really easy to trade. And now if I go to the Twitter, I see a lot of people blowing the accounts because they have no idea how to trade the bear market. But for the people who refine their edge, I mean, for me personally, this is pretty much the best trading period of my whole entire career. Like, I am making much more money than I did in the last 3 years combined. Also, in my opinion, it's really difficult to suggest you one specific market because everyone is different, so on the strategy. But I genuinely believe the Forex market is the best way when it comes to your trading journey. And the reason number one is probably it's not going straight away to the upside or the downside. There is a lot of ups and downs, a lot of ranges, daily cycles, and so on, so on. So you will have to pay a lot of attention to some specific price action, which, comparing to the cryptocurrency in the last year or two, all you have to do is just buying the freaking dip. So in the Forex, you will learn a little bit more how to be a disciplined trader and collect the data to eventually trusting your edge a little bit more. Another thing is pretty much emotional attachment. So for instance, if you believe in the blockchain or the crypto and you're gonna be trading because of it, the Bitcoin, I don't think it's a really healthy way how to start your trading journey, because you don't have that unbiased approach when it comes to the trading. I would say your trading decisions will be a little bit influenced. On the other hand, if you're gonna trade, for instance, GBP, JPY, you're probably not gonna care that much about the direction, and you're just gonna trade your own setup, right? I believe this is a really good thing to kind of start with, and I know few people that started with the Forex for trading them successfully for few years, and they then switched to the cryptocurrency and they literally killing it. So I believe that the Forex will makes you much better trader, but also there is a lot of things to kind of consider as well. So that being emotional attachment, another thing what I would also consider is how much time I'm basically having daily or the weekly for, you know, trading. Luckily enough, the Forex is pretty much 24/7 from Monday to Friday, so there is not a huge difference between the cryptocurrency and the Forex. Unless you want to trade weekends, that's probably only the cryptocurrency. So even though if you don't have enough time, the cryptocurrency, even the Forex, you will find some particular pair that moving in your specific hour. So I wouldn't even bother to think about it twice which one would be like much more efficient for you. Okay, another topic will be maybe a little bit subjective, but based on our members and a few experience of mine, the Forex tends to be a little bit more precise, or if you're looking for some specific level, it tends to be more precise. And maybe it's going to be because the Forex is the most liquid market in the world. The Forex market, at least me personally or few members on our Discord, it treat us a little bit better way than the crypto. But it doesn't mean you cannot trade the cryptocurrency. I'm just saying the Forex is much more liquid. So the higher capital or the higher position size you will have, the more difficult it will be in the crypto. So if you're gonna be trading the cryptocurrency, probably as a beginner you're not gonna be cared that much, but later on, if you will managing six-figure account plus, I would probably focus on like top 10 coins, or you know, if you're a scalper, within 24 hours the top 5 or the top 10 most traded volume coins. And last thing I'd like to talk about is basically the beginning capital, or the starting capital, and the fees. Luckily enough, you have the opportunity in both markets to start with really small capital, 50 bucks, 10 bucks, 100 bucks. So you can kind of test the water, which is really good in my opinion. But when it comes to the fee, I genuinely believe, I don't even believe, I just can see it myself. The cryptocurrency is much more expensive when it comes to the fee. In the crypto, you have to consider limit order or the market order, because you will have a different kind of fee structure plus the funding rates. In the Forex, you pretty much paying the round trip, which cost you, I believe, around $2 to 10. It depends on your broker. And if you're not gonna be holding anything overnight, you don't even need to bother about the swaps. For the beginner, I genuinely believe the Forex will makes you much better trader, but that doesn't mean the cryptocurrency gonna makes you even worse or something like that. Genuinely believe if I have to go back in time, I would start with maybe 50, 100 bucks in the Forex, and as I am making or developing my own strategy, I would probably spread my wings and start to trading the cryptocurrency as well. But eventually it's totally up to you. Like I said, choose wherever you feel the most comfortable with. I would personally start with the Forex. Also, it has the cheapest commission. So yeah, that's pretty much it. EU is getting ready, so I'm gonna be trading again. See you soon, and yeah, have a wonderful day and happy trading.